Why you want to eat a raw vegan natto salad to break your fast? That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King. I am the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. Now, do you practice intermittent fasting? And if you do, how do you break your fast? What kind of food do you eat to break your fast? Okay, now today I'll tell you that you want to use a raw vegan natto salad to break your fast. If you want to know why, please stay tuned. All right, so in the last video, I shared with you about my view on the raw vegan diet, and I don't practice the raw vegan diet because I value the diversity of ingredients, and I eat raw food, but I also eat some cooked food as well. But for detail, please watch my other video, my view on Zhanna diet and the raw vegan diet is not a raw vegan. Yeah, right. Having said that, you can utilize a raw food concept. Some of the concept of raw food diet is great. Yeah. For example, one concept that you say that you can absorb more enzyme by eating food raw. Yeah. So this is good to break your fast with. Yeah. If you can absorb more enzyme by eating food raw, then maybe it is beneficial to eat raw food to break your fast. So I always have a salad, the first thing when I break my fast. Yeah. However, there are also views saying that some of the enzymes can be denatured by the stomach acid. Therefore, it doesn't really matter whether food is raw or cooked. In fact, your body produces your own digestive enzymes. So it doesn't really matter to eat raw food. Yeah. But I don't know the details of that argument, because I'm not a nutritionist and a scientist. So I don't want to get into the details of the data and so on. But if that is true, let's say if the effect of raw food is not so strong, then I came up with this idea. Yeah. A raw vegan natto salad. Now, technically, it is not a raw vegan natto salad because natto is not a raw vegan. So it's like a natto with a raw vegan salad. Yeah. And this could change the situation. Yeah. The key is the natto. The natto is very slimy, yeah? And the sliminess is actually nattokin, the natto bacteria, and this is the secret. Yeah. So when you mix natto with your salad, yeah, kind of nattokin sort of spread, all over the place, yeah? And the vegetables are covered with nattokin. Yeah, and nattokin is so powerful. Yeah, it can kind of withstand the sort of heat. Yeah, because it kind of produces something called spores to protect itself. Yeah, and then go through the stomach and then survive the gastric acid to reach to the gut. Yeah, and then I have a feeling that some of the enzymes in the raw vegetables are protected by nattokin as well if it's covered with nattokin. Now, I don't have any data on it, yeah, but it's just like my hunch. So it's worth a try. Yeah. But anyway, eating natto to break your fast is great. It has a tremendous benefit on your gut microbiome. And I think eating raw vegetable in general have a lot of benefit on your gut microbiome. Plus, that means you're getting a lot of fiber too. So just combining natto with salad is, yeah, just worth a try. Yeah. Right. And then it's very easy to make. Yeah, you can make it with tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, broccoli, onions, and marinated garlic. So usually I don't put broccoli or garlic in a salad, but if you want to add, diversity of, vegetable, you can kind of do that to make it more like raw foodish. Yeah, right. And then season them with brown rice vinegar, flaxseed oil, or olive oil, yeah, salt, sesame seed or hemp seed, yeah, whatever you like, basically, right? Now, for the details of how to make it, I have many recipes in the book, Natto Unleashed, and one of them is a natto salad. Yeah, natto salad is pretty much the same as, raw vegan natto salad. Yeah, so try that. And then the book also has many other information such as health benefits of natto, DIY natto, and navigating natto's taste, and natto hacking, how to optimize natto eating for your biohacking. The book is available on Amazon as Kindle and print-on-demand paperback. Okay, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. How do you break your fast? Thank you. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!